In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom breakout rooms effectively so you can facilitate smaller group discussions within your Zoom meetings. First, let's begin with accessing the Zoom desktop application. Whether you're using a computer at home or in the office, make sure you've installed the latest version of Zoom for the best experience and most up-to-date features. Once you've opened the Zoom app, either create a new meeting or join an existing one. This will serve as the main room from which you'll manage your breakout rooms. Hosting a meeting? Great! Consider your goals for using breakout rooms, whether it's for a workshop, class discussion, or simple brainstorming sessions. Knowing your objective will guide how you set them up. Down at the bottom of your Zoom window, you'll notice several controls. Look for the More button, typically represented with 3 dots. This is your gateway to advanced features. Click it, and you'll see the option for breakout rooms. Select this, and you're on your way to creating a more dynamic and interactive meeting environment. Now, it's decision-making time. Choose how many breakout rooms you wish to create. Think about the size of your group and the interaction you hope to facilitate. Do you want intimate discussions with just a few people, or perhaps teams collaborating on larger projects? Once you've made up your mind on the number of rooms, simply go ahead and hit the Create button. But your job doesn't stop there. Zoom allows you to tailor each breakout room to fit different needs with various options. You can assign participants manually, automatically, or let them choose which room they'd like to join. This flexibility means you can have more control or give your participants more freedom, depending on what suits your meeting best. If you find you need more rooms than initially planned, there's no need to stress. You can always add more rooms right from the breakout room management interface. This is particularly useful if your meeting becomes larger or if the structure shifts midway. Ready to kick things off? Open your breakout rooms. This will begin the session, and your participants will move to their designated spaces to commence their discussions or activities. But wait, there's more. If you need to share any updates or information during the breakout sessions, use the Broadcast feature. This allows you to send notifications to all rooms simultaneously, keeping everyone on the same page. Finally, when the breakout sessions conclude and it's time to bring everyone back together, simply click the Close Rooms button. This will end the individual sessions and bring everyone back into the main meeting room for a debrief or final thoughts. There you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only learned how to set up breakout rooms, but also how to enhance collaboration and engagement in your Zoom meetings. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other guides for more helpful tips and tricks.